We're talking free product bonus, right? This is a bonus that we're going to give for people who sponsor and activate new consultants into the business, which is awesome. And you're going to get free product. Why is free product important? Because free product is retail credit that Pure Romance is going to put on your account that you can redeem for 100% discount on those products. And you know what 100% discount means? 100% profit, right? So what is this bonus all about? It's about when you sponsor new consultants into the business, whether they buy the standard kit, deluxe kit, or premium kit, and then they activate, you're gonna get that free product bonus. You're gonna get $50 for every activation of a standard kit sold, $100 for every deluxe kit sold and activated, and $150 for every premium kit sold and activated. So let's talk through some examples of this. Mitch, why don't you take us through some of them?
That's right. So like Chris said, it's based on the kit that the person actually buys and that they start their business with. So we want to make sure that people are getting in the business with the highest buying discount they can, and that's why we want to have that kind of tiered opportunity for you to be earning free product off of that and getting them off on the right foot. So for the first 3 levels in the business, senior consultant, advanced consultant, and consultant, there isn't an activation requirement for you to get your lifestyle bonus and then your 3rd and 4th downline overrides. So since your requirement is 0, every kit that you get out the door, that is cash in your pocket. You earn the free product off of that. Now, once you get up to associate director and above, those levels do have an activation requirement. So once you're at associate director, you need to be getting 1 person a month in order to get that lifestyle bonus and that awesome 3rd and 4th override opportunity for you to earn money off of those people's sales. So if you get that 2nd person, then that 2nd person, it's based on what kit they buy, and you're getting free product off of that. Now, it doesn't stop there though. If you continue to recruit in that month and you get 2, 3, 4, 5, however many people you recruit, you're getting that free product bonus. There isn't a limit on how much you can get. Now, once you go up to senior director and below is who this sponsorship opportunity is open to. So we want you to be building your business and getting toward climbing up that compensation chart and getting up that ladder and earning more money. So senior director, that level requires 2 people to be activated each month in order to get that lifestyle bonus. So once you get that 3rd person and on, it's based on the kit and you get that free product bonus, no questions asked, in your pocket.
Awesome deal, Mitch. Let's put a little bit more icing on this cake, right?
How about
that? How about for when you sponsor your first consultant into this business ever, you're gonna get double the bonus. So that means first recruit and activation ever, $100 for the standard kit. For the deluxe kit, $200. And for that premium kit, $300 free product when that first person activates. That is awesome. So ladies, we hope you enjoy this free product bonus. Go out there and add people to your team, grow your income. Happy sponsoring.